What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV. We have the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and we have a dbrand skin. I'm gonna install it and show you what it looks like on here. So let's get into it. It does come with a microfiber cloth included in with the skin. And I had them send me, I don't even remember which one I had, but now they have this green one that looks really cool. I wish I had seen that one, but I'll try this one and see how it looks. So you want to wipe down your phone, and the skin only goes on the back of the phone. It doesn't go anywhere else, and it goes around the camera rings as well. So it's not going to go on the edges along all that stuff. So if you wanted something like that, you're probably not going to be happy with this one, but otherwise dbrand skins always look really, really cool. Wipe that pretty good. Next, what we want to do is unbox this. Pretty cool. It like reflects. It's got like rainbow in it. It's pretty neat looking. All right, so what we're gonna do is peel this off and just readjust it. Try to get this perfect. Did I get that perfect? Maybe. Looks pretty good, actually. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Man. Pretty good. They had like some, oh wait, is it good? No, it's not. You gotta readjust that because it's the light is, I think it's more important to redo it up here. It's almost like getting it right on that light is probably the most important thing, because that's like the most precise thing that we got here. But then we got, man, what was that? It's a little bit off-centered at the bottom here. Pretty good. Yeah, that looks pretty good to me. All right. That's pretty easy. Oh, there's a bubble right there. Readjust that. Make sure there's no bubbles around here. All right, that's good. That's real good. Yeah. All right. So now what we want to do is we want to take that microfiber cloth again and press this along the edges like 10 times. So that it really melts into that. And their website, they do this installation a little bit different. Theirs is like playing around with this piece and rotating it and stuff like that, but I don't know, this looks pretty good and it went on so easy. Like these, I'll be honest, I've never used one of their skins before. I've seen them and they look really cool, but I've never done their skins before. I've done it on a Nintendo Switch, which I'm still at this point working on the video still, but this is yeah, this is pretty smooth, super smooth. I like that. All right, so that's good. So now we got to do these, and we'll just give you a quick look at that. That looks pretty freaking good on there. Really good. Nice. And I'll show this outside too after this so you can see it. Okay, so now let's do the camera housing here. And I think these are 3 separate pieces. Let me see that. Maybe they're not. Yeah, so these are 3 separate pieces. So this is the top one. And these are just gonna go around the camera rings. did an okay job with the camera rings. I think I did pretty good. I mean, I feel like the second one could probably be readjusted a little bit. The bottom one, I think, looks the best. Top one looks pretty good as well, but maybe readjust that second one if I can. See if I can peel that up. Yeah, I think that looks better now. The second one definitely looks better now. So same thing, just kind of press along the edges around there. Not too hard because you don't want to ruin the camera lens. But there's a closer look at it inside, and then I'll bring this outside. All right, so hopefully you could see that, how when the sun reflects off it, you get this prism rainbow effect on there. And you get it on the camera rings too. Looks pretty cool. Here's another look while it's completely wide open. Yeah, so overall, for my first time putting on a dbrand skin on a phone, it was really, really easy. Usually I'm like a dummy at these things, but this was super simple, and the quality is a lot better than the other skins I've tried in the past. I forget what brands I've tried, but this is like super nice and super easy to put on. They did a great job. The only thing I probably would have done was choose they have like this neon green one. I really wish I got that one. This one looks cool, but yeah, otherwise super easy to put on, very high quality. And no problem at all. I'll link it down below if you want to pick one up. They have tons of different skins, so check it out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you down the road. Peace.